Gonna walk down to the DQ. I'm at the Malacca Airport, and this nice lady here pulled up, and she says, "I'll give you a ride." So you're gonna give me a ride? That's great. Hi. She says, "Hi. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah.
You take care of yourself."
Oh, I will.
Okay. Bye-bye. Really whooped that baby down, didn't I? Now. Now I got to take a long walk back to the airport, but first I got to cross this busy intersection here. And it can be busy. Busy, busy, busy. Got a stream of cars here. Stream of cars. I don't know if I'm going to make it across. Oh, here we go. I made it. That's great. That's done with. Well, I made it back in one piece. Yep, a little bit of a walk, but some good exercise too. Here's my new front camera. I shouldn't say it's a new camera. It's my old camera that I used to have on the wing strut, but I decided to try it out on the nose, and I think it's going to work out pretty good. All right, we'll walk around here. Okay, I think it's time to head home. What do you think? It's a nice day. Still a nice day. All right, folks. Catch you in a little bit. Okay, we're ready to start. Claire!